Budgies make a wonderful pet. They are very playful and they really enjoy the company of human beings. But never keep one budgie and try to have more than one budgies so that you can play and enjoy. Regular interaction with them bring them more closer to you. The more you talk to them, the more you are able to understand their language, and the more they are also able to understand your language. Budgies do take a little nap after the meals, and it's good for them also. So during that nap, please don't disturb them and let them sleep and enjoy it. And if possible, cover them with a little shade, put a cloth over their cage so that they can sleep easily and they should not get disturbed with light. When you see that their eyes are closed, and that time please do not disturb them and let them enjoy their sleep, and afterward they will feel light and they will be happy to play with you. So enjoy with your budgies the way I had been.